Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is KashRox and I'm back again with another video. If you're new to this space, maybe because you saw Nello Keke's picture on this thumbnail, that's why you clicked on this channel. Thank you for joining in. I am so happy to have you guys. So my name is KashRox and on this space I create, I don't even know how to say it. It's just as if now YouTube they carry me, they go where I don't know for this channel now. But anyways, I do a lot of lifestyle and also a lot of talk videos on this channel, and I do hope you guys get to enjoy. And if you're yet to subscribe, maybe you just want to see who is this person, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Join this family. We are amazing, positive vibe, positive energy and all that. Okay guys, so I saw this latest video that Nello Keke did DIY about using some natural ingredients for a younger skin, and I decided to like try it out because I love anything DIY. I love trying out new things, and guys, I had to walk around to go get this particular stuff. So this is gelatin. This is part of the almighty ingredients that I'm going to be making use of. The ingredients I'm going to be using in this video is just 3 ingredients: gelatin, carrots, and also Irish potato. See guys, to be honest, I was even thinking this gelatin would be so difficult for me to find, because I was like, I'm going to recreate this video, let's just do it and see how it is. Let's try our best like to recreate this and then give you guys review from my own perspective. Guys, I'm going to be giving my own review at the end of this video, so please stay tuned. So I was actually thinking that getting this gelatin would be so difficult for me, but honestly guys, getting this was really difficult. I had to work, and then I said, all we do for content creation, all we do to create and give you guys a nice content. But anyways guys, enough with my talking. So like I said earlier on, I'm going to be making use of gelatin, Irish potato. Please, I don't know if you're going to be able to use sweet potato in case you want to ask, but please just go and look for Irish potato if you want to try it out yourself as well. And then the last one is carrots. So guys, enough with my talking, let's just go watch this and then come back and talk with you guys. Okay, let's go guys.
So many reasons why I wonder for you, my love. Now you want to retire with my love. See all the little good things you do to make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come closer. I wanna make we day. Oh, boy, I wanna make you closer. I will I make you closer. Oh, no. I wanna make.
Little cakey step right now. I peeled, I grated, and then I had to like go in and boil for some minutes. Now this is the end result. I don't know if you guys can see it. So the next thing I'm just going to do is to use my brush and then apply it on my face. So once I'm done applying this, I'm going to leave it on my face for some minutes until it dries off. I think what she did was it got dried off and then she came to like take it off. So that is exactly what I'm going to do in this video. So let's start off by applying it on the face. Okay, so she used the camera. I don't know, my sister is asking if it is not still hot, so let's just see. I'm going to use my viewfinder as well. It's still a bit hot, so let me move closer. It's dark. It's still
So many reasons why I wonder for you, my love. Now you want to retire with my love. See all the little good things you do to make me no.
Oh, so guys, I just finished applying this on my face. You guys see my face? Can you see? I don't know, it's dark. it's better now. So I just finished applying this on my face. I'm just going to leave it for some minutes or hour, I don't know, but until it gets dried. So I'll come back here and peel it off in your presence. Okay, so guys, I don't know how I feel right now, but anyways, I'll come back here and talk with you guys once I'm ready to peel it. All right, keep watching, and please, if you've watched this moment, do not forget to like, hit on that big red button that says subscribe, and like this video. Please do like it. Like, I went out of my way for this video, so please like it. Okay, thank you. So guys, I'm back. I can't even open my mouth to talk well. I can't even laugh well because this stuff just made my face stilled. Like, my face is just still. I hope you guys can hear me. Let me even see. This mic is on, right? So my face is currently still. You guys, my face is really dried here. Can you see? And then I can't even open my mouth to talk to you guys. But yeah, I've carried this for like I think I look funny. I really look funny when I'm talking now. I've carried it for like almost an hour. I think 55 minutes or thereabouts. So yes, it's dried. I can't even open my mouth to eat. I can't laugh properly. So I'm going to be taking it off right now because I think it has done its job. Right guys, what do you think? So yes, I'm just going to like, it's really painful. Oh, okay, so this is what I'm doing. Oh my god. It's really painful to peel off. So yeah, I was just trying to like get a thumbnail. So I'm just going to start off by following this pattern to take it off. Oh, let me see from this part. It's really not easy taking it off. Oh, but this part I'm touching looks so smooth. It's painful. Oh my gosh, I think it's killing me already. Oh my god, this is so painful. Oh, but this place looks really smooth. I'm kind of wasking my face. Oh my god. Woo, woo, woo. So painful, God. Oh, jeez. Guys, I just finished having my bath right now. When I watched Nelo's clip and I saw that she took a bath before coming for the end of the video, I was wondering why she had to go through all that before ending the video. But guys, my pain tolerance is just 0%. As when I keep doing what I was doing before, even me and you watching this video, you're also going to cry with me because it was so painful. But with that being said, guys, I think my face looks very soft. Yes, like honestly, my face looks softer. I did not apply this alone. I applied it with my younger sister, and then she too, she can testify that her face looks softer, right, Favor? Yeah. This mask actually made my face softer and then smoother. Can you guys notice that? So I'm going to give this. Nelo gave us 8, I think 8 over 10 or so, but to be honest with you guys, I think mine is actually 9 over 10 because this really worked fine, and I think I'll be doing it once in a while. I just keep saying I think, but I'll be trying to do this once in a while. You guys know how skincare routine can be. You think, or you decide to do something and then you end up not doing it. So yeah, I just hope I'm consistent with that. So yeah, so I'm going to give mine a 9 over 10 because it's really worked for me. Like, I really feel the softness, the smoothness, and also the glow. That's on the period, guys. So yes, this is me. This is how my review for this DIY went. And also, guys, I'm going to be trying other content creators, what they have tried on their face or what they have tried before. I think I enjoyed this video. Actually, I think I did. And please do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget, so you keep coming back to see this pretty face. That's on the period, right? So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share out this content, like this video, and do all those goody stuff you're always doing on those big YouTubers page. Those big YouTubers page, all those good things you used to do on that page, please do it on this small growing YouTubers page. Yes, my page, do it as well. Okay, thank you for watching, guys, and I'm glowing. See you guys next on my other video, and bye. Signing out. Peace out. Bye.